Hi, welcome back. So this is Jan 2022 question here, pure math 1, quadratics. So f of x is given as 11 minus 4x minus 2x square, expressed in the form of a plus b into x plus c the whole square, where a, b, c are integers to be found. So we have to use completing the square method. First of all, arrange them in order. So minus 2x square minus 4x plus 11. So what I'm going to do is, we always have to make the coefficient of x square 1. So I'll take negative 2 common here. If we take negative 2 common, we are left with x square and then plus 2x, because minus 2 into positive 2x will give me minus 4x. Then I'm just keeping that 11 aside. I'm going to do completing the square for this x square plus 2x. So minus 2 into, we know that the variable here is x, b value, you divide by 2. So b value is positive 2. You divide by 2, you'll get positive 1. Put them in brackets, square. Always a negative sign. The number over here, you need to square it. 1 square is 1. And that's it. We have 11 outside. Now, this we need to expand the bracket. So minus 2 into x plus 1 the whole square minus 2 into minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1 will give me positive 2 and then positive 11. So this can be written as minus 2 into x plus 1 the whole square plus 2 plus 11 is 13. It should be written in the form of a plus b into x plus c the whole square. So I'll write it as 13 minus 2 into x plus 1 the whole square. So it was supposed to be in the form of a plus b into x plus c. So when we compare both of them here, we'll get a as 13, b as minus 2, and c is 1. So we got the values for a, b, and c. So this part is done. Now sketch the graph of the curve C with equation y is equals to f of x, showing clearly the coordinates of the point where the curve crosses the y-axis. So in order to sketch, we know that we need the y-intercept, x-intercept, and the turning point. So the function here is minus 2 into, or else minus 2x square minus 2x square minus 4x plus 11. Y is equal to. We know in order to get the y-intercept, x should be 0. To get the y-intercept, x should be 0. So in this case, when we substitute for x 0, you will get y as 11. Y will be 11. So this is the y-intercept. Y-intercept is 11. Now, to get the x-intercept, we need to equate this to 0. It's better to find out using the completing the square method. We already have completing the square method here. 13 minus 2 into x plus 1 the whole square is equal to 0. So minus 2 into x plus 1 the whole square, we'll take it to the other side. So 13 is equals to 2 into x plus 1 the whole square. Take this 2 to the other side, will become 13 by 2 is equals to x plus 1 the whole square. 13 divided by 2 is 6.5. So x plus 1 the whole square is equals to 6.5. We can cancel the square, but we need to put a square root and plus or minus sign. So plus 1 goes to the other side. So x is equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 6.5. So if we put this in calculator, you'll get both your x values are going to be minus 1 plus square root of 6.5 and minus 1 minus square root of 6.5. So minus 1 plus square root of 6.5 will give me in decimal 1.55. 1.55. So this is equals to 1.55 and minus 1 minus square root of 6.5 will give me minus 3.55. Minus 3.55. And we have the x-intercepts here. We have the x-intercept. Finally, we need the turning point. Turning point, it's already there. It was minus 2 into x plus 1 the whole square plus 13. We know if it is in the form of a into x plus p the whole square plus q, we know the turning point is minus p comma q. So here the turning point will be p is 1, so minus p will be minus 1 and q is 13. So now let's sketch it. The x-intercepts are minus 3.55 and 1.55. Y-intercept is 11, so this is 11. And then the turning point is minus 1 comma 13. So this is minus 1. Let's say that this is 13 here. So minus 1 and 13 will be somewhere over here. So just draw n-shaped parabola because coefficient of x square is okay. I'll just change my 1.55 to here. So this will be 1.55. And now last one, line of symmetry. Line of symmetry means this is the line of symmetry which they are asking. Now line of symmetry will always be x is equals to, because the line is parallel to y-axis. If it is parallel to y-axis, you just have to write x is equals to, and then it always passes through the vertex, that it passes through minus 1. Vertex is the minimum point, minus 1 comma 13. In another words, in simple way, write always x is equal to, and then whatever your minimum points x coordinate. Minimum points x coordinate is minus 1. So x is equals to minus 1. X is equals to minus 1 will be your line of symmetry. To find out the line of symmetry, it will be always x is equal to, and then check the minimum point or the maximum point here, in this case, the turning point basically. Whatever the x coordinate of turning point, x is equals to, that will be your final answer. I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubt, feel free to write it in the comment box. Thank you for watching.